Hey folks, JD here, the SJRC Z5. So today, what I thought I would try is something that has been really bugging me with a lot of these SJRC copters, and that is, it's not a very big thing, but that is follow me mode. So what I want to do, I want to see whether we can get follow me mode to work today. Hopefully we can. I mean, if we can't, it's not really the end of the world. We have managed to get it working with a couple of SJRC quads, but it hasn't been perfect. It's normally a massive whirlpool that gets drawn by these particular quads, and I've tried in multiple fields, multiple locations, and they all do exactly the same. So today, what I thought I would do is I would try and see whether we can get this to follow. So you have to be within 10 meters for it to follow. The last time I was doing it at 27 feet. The app was telling me my distance, and that pretty much is about 8.3, 8.4 meters. So I was within that boundary, but still it didn't like it. So I thought today I would try and see if we could get it to actually work. So so what's my distance now? So my height is 3.3 and my distance is 8.9 foot. So if I click follow me mode, so under adequate light circumstances, keep the distance of the drone from the human body within 3 to 10 meters, moving slowly at the same speed. So then move to track. And this is usually where it goes absolutely insane and it decides that it's going to go around in circles. Now I'm walking away from it, not touching anything, and I'm expecting this quad to follow me. Now it should be able to lock on to the transmitter. It should be able to lock on to me. There's no box I've had to draw as far as I'm aware. Oh, there is a box. There is a box. Let's go back in. So I've been doing this all wrong. Okay, so let's draw a box around me. And then let's see if it follows the box. So now I'm expecting this now to come after myself. So, still nothing. Do I click on the box to finalize it? Do I click on me? No. I mean, I would expect anything to be within that green box for it to follow. That's what I'd expect. Let's come a bit closer. Let's bring it down a little bit lower. Let's draw the box around. Oh, wrong way. Let's draw the box around me. So now it has me full body and nothing, not even following. So right, okay, that's a little bit crazy. How about if I come off to the side? Is it going to pick up? I've walked off to the side. Yes, it's swiveled, but it's not following my, it's only following me from a yaw perspective. See, now that's okay, right? Okay, we're getting somewhere ish. We're sort of getting somewhere. Now it's not exactly where I want to get to. I want this thing to follow me. So if I walk away, my speed is, my distance is increasing. So as I can see, the distance between the quadcopter decreasing, and it's not following me there, but it is following me in yaw. Okay, so maybe I've got another setting here. So let's take her up a little bit higher. Does she still follow me in yaw up a little bit higher? Yes, she does. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Untick follow me, clear the picture frame. If I click that, follow me, slide. Now, are you going to follow me directly? See, now this is where it starts to go a bit crazy, usually. So what's it going to do today? Follow me, ready. Now it's starting to go a little bit mental. Oh, no, it is actually following me. Good God. Right, okay. And normally, as I said, they draw these huge whirlpools in the air normally, is what I have from the other SJRC quadcopters. And it does look to be struggling, bless it. Maybe I've got to give it a bit more height. And maybe I've got to come a little bit closer to it. Okay, that looks to be a little bit better. Oh, she is, right. Oh, well, it is kind of following me. I don't really want to turn my back on it. Oh, well done. It's a bit shy. So I've got, Oh, oh, hang on, oh, hang on, oh, it can't see me, it's going back. Untick follow me. Oh, that was a bit crazy. It went a bit too fast for itself. It lost where I was and just started to just travel backwards, I guess, to try and get me back in the frame. But that follow me certainly did work. Now it did follow me around looking at the picture frame. It followed me using yaw. So I'm hoping that that actually means that this is now working. We'll soon find out, and we'll soon see. Oh, did I just hit geofence? I thought I took it out of beginner mode. I did. Flight distance. Let's increase that. Let's increase that. Flight altitude. Let's increase all that. Save. There we go. I don't know why it didn't. Oh, I had to re-download the app, didn't I? That's why I didn't remember where I was or what distance I fly or anything like that. Okay, that's okay. I'm not going to hold that against it. But that was remarkably good. And I'd say it's not remarkably good when you put it up next to DJI or Parrot or Unique or anything like that. But it's remarkably good when you consider, if you look back through any of my SJRC videos, they've all done the same thing. They've all started to just create this massive, massive circle around you. And it has actually been quite an annoyance. I've had people suggesting, try this, try that, try the other. I've tried it and nothing has worked. And now, at least I feel as if I'm getting a little bit somewhere with that. So let's try again. Just reward the quadcopter with letting it fly a little bit. Right, here we are, back again. So let's dip that camera a bit so it has me, and then let it lock in place, and then follow me, and then hopefully it'll be, if I maintain a slow speed. See, now because the Wi-Fi is jumping as well, I don't know whether the quad, oh actually it's taking itself out to follow me by the look of it. Just come back a bit, follow me. Follow me is now illuminated. Okay, so if I just walk off, keeping an eye, quad is following me. It's going a bit mental though. Ooh, look at you, you're, what are you doing? Oh, up. And there's that big whirlpool. If I stop, no, I'm taking it out of that. Oof. Right, okay. Now for some reason, my responses are very, very slow. That's a bit crazy. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to land her. Come on, just land. There we go. I'm going to land it and then see whether I can take her back up and see if the controls are a bit better. Well, follow me sort of worked. I'm not going to 100% confirm. Yes, it worked, because even though it did follow, it then did exactly what the others did, which is a great big whirlpool around me. Now, it could be down to the height that I'm flying. I have increased the altitude. I have obviously brought the camera down in case it's doing it optically. So let's have a little look. Oh, is that? Well, I'm down to 1 bar of battery anyway inside this, and 1 bar of battery in my transmitter. So I tell you what, folks, I think I'm going to call that a day, because I'm not going to get much more flight out of this. It's pretty much going to take off, and it's going to warn, and then I'm going to have to come straight back down again. So I'm going to leave it at that. But that was flight test number 1 of the record of follow me function, and up until the last one, it was actually quite successful, I thought. It did follow me. It did sort of track my location. It got a bit carried away, and then it just kind of zoomed off to catch me up. Even though I wasn't walking fast, I was maintaining a steady speed. And then once it caught me up, it had actually overflown me a bit. And then it decided to freak out a bit, and it moved back to sort of get me in the frame, but it came back at like a 45-degree angle at a hell of a rate of knots. So that's when I then took it out of that and took control again. Yeah, and then the second time then after that, once I obviously taken it for a bit of a fly, the second time after that then was just quite simply that we had oh, I've snapped something off it, have I? No, I haven't. No, that's okay. I thought I had then, but I haven't. The landing sprigs under there. I thought I'd lost the landing sprigs off here, but I haven't. It's all good. And then the second time then was just quite simply the case of it actually just started whirlpooling really large above my head, which is what the other SJRC quads have done, and I've tried that at various altitudes as well. I'll come back, I'll try it again. I still love this quad. It's a fantastic flying quad. It's so stable. It's brilliant. But obviously some of these features maybe not be as refined as we'd like them to be. But still, it doesn't detract that much away from the quad, I don't think. I certainly think this is still something to look at if you're interested. It's a fantastic flyer for the price. I mean, I still can't get over it. I've got the F11 with me, and I'll be flying that next weekend, hopefully. And then we should see exactly what that is like. I'm really looking forward to it. All right then, my friends. Well, I'm going to pack all this up in its lovely little home. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.